Well, go on. What's up, world? So, quick story I decided to share with you guys. A friend of mine and myself were having a conversation about Air Jamaica, right? And Air Jamaica was something special to Jamaica at the time, that it operated. Uh, they had a lot of good food, I would have to say, a lot of, um, you know, I would say cultural dish. I remember one time I went on Air Jamaica, we had ackee and saltfish, green banana, and dumplings. And it was really good. I mean, and for you guys who don't know what ackee and saltfish is, ackee and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish, and it really tastes good, right? So yeah, here Jamaica, something special, and not only the food, but they also had non-stop champagne flights, something that was very unheard of at the time. This was like early 2000, probably late 90s. But Air Jamaica operated very frequently in the States and all over. I know they went to uh, England, probably Canada, and it's something very special to the country. And tell you the truth, I wish we had Air Jamaica still. For you guys that didn't fly Air Jamaica, you can really experience that difference in flying. Especially with the champagne. I mean they would pop champagne when we're in the sky, and we would just drink, and it was a good vibes. You know what I mean? So yeah, just reminiscing about Air Jamaica, it definitely bring back memories. But just thought I would share that with you guys. So please feel free to like and subscribe and comment on the videos. I like to read comments, positive comments and all. So feel free to comment, and like I said, like and subscribe. There's a lot more videos, a lot more things coming with Jamaica Extra. Alright? Share the video. Thank you. One love.